What's the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? People often mix these up. Let's break it down. This is part of a series where we're going to demystify AI one step at a time. Let's start with the basics. What is AI? Or to spell it out, artificial intelligence. It's the big idea. It's the concept of making machines smart. Like how we humans are smart, can solve problems, make decisions, even learn new things. That's what AI is all about. Now, AI is a huge field. It's like a big umbrella. So let's look under that umbrella. You know those spam filters in your email? They're a type of AI called machine learning. Machine learning, or ML, lets computers learn from the data you feed them, instead of being told exactly what to do, like if this, then that. Machine learning algorithms sift through tons of data to find patterns and make decisions based on what they've learned. It's like teaching a computer to fish. Once it knows how, it can find lots of fish all by itself. But there's another level below that. Deep learning, or DL, is a type of machine learning. It takes things to the next level by using something called artificial neurons. These neurons work in layers, kind of like the layers of a brain. Each layer can learn more complex patterns and features. For example, in one layer, neurons might learn to recognize edges and shapes. In the next layer, they might learn to recognize combinations of those shapes. And in the next layer, they might learn to recognize even more complex patterns like human faces. So, remember the big umbrella of AI? Under that umbrella is machine learning, and under the machine learning umbrella is deep learning. Now let's summarize. AI is the goal, what we want machines to do. ML is how we get there. One way of getting there is through DL. There are other ways too, but that's a topic for another day. So what does this all mean? Well, it means you don't need to be a coding genius to understand the basics of AI, ML, and DL. With the right explanations, anyone can grasp these concepts. It's just a matter of breaking it down and presenting it in a clear way. For example, here's a simple way to think about it. AI is like the umbrella. It's the thing that keeps us dry in the rain. Machine learning is like the raincoat. It's something that helps us to achieve AI. And deep learning is like the hood on the raincoat. It's a feature of machine learning that makes it even better at what it does. In the next video, we'll talk more about machine learning. We'll explore some real-world examples of how it's used today. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. This has been Wise Learner AI. Remember, you can learn one step at a time.